Hi friends, Miss Carrie here from the West Haven Public Library. If you want to learn how to make these delicious treats, just keep watching this video. Welcome to our How to Ice Cube Tray Treat video. So if you're watching this video, that means that you received your kit from the library. Your kit will include an ice cube tray. It will also include some popsicle sticks, and it will include a few starter ingredients for your popsicles, some Capri Sun lemonade and some sprinkles. It also includes a list of ingredients that you can use from home. If you don't have all the ingredients today, that's okay. You can make these at another point in time, but hopefully the juice and the sprinkles will get you started today. All right, let's get started. Our first recipe today is juice pops. You're going to need some juice. You can use your favorite juice from home, or you can use the juice from the juice box that I included in your kit. And that's what I'm using today, Capri Sun lemonade. And this is optional, but you can also include some fruit in your pops. Today I'm using some blueberries that I mashed up with a fork. You can also chop your fruit up if you'd like, or mash it. It's up to you, or you can just make them plain if you prefer. If you do include some fruit, what you're going to do first is take a spoon and just scoop a little fruit in the bottom of the ice cubes. Now I'm just making a few just to give you an example. But if you want, you can make an entire ice cube tray of the same pops, or you can just do a few different ones if you'd like. So, as you can see, the fruit is at the bottom of the ice cubes. So now we're going to pour the juice over the fruit. Pour it nice and careful and slow. And you can pour it all the way to the top. And some of the fruit may float up, and that's fine. I think I'm going to make a plain one too. Okay, so this gives you a good view of the fruit juice pops. So they are all set and ready to be put into the freezer. Now we're going to move on to recipe number 2. Our next recipe is chocolate milk pops. You'll need some chocolate milk, and you'll also need the sprinkles that I included in your kit. So what you can do first is scoop some sprinkles into the bottom of your ice cube tray. I'm just doing 4 today, but you can do an entire tray of milk chocolate pops if you'd like. Now we're going to take the chocolate milk and pour it over the sprinkles. Slowly pour it over. And again, fill it all the way up to the top. These are going to be really good. And this is an overhead view of the chocolate milk pops. You can see some of the little sprinkles are rising to the top. I think these are going to be really yummy. Our last recipe today is a yogurt or pudding pop. So today I'm using my favorite vanilla pudding. And you can use pudding or yogurt, whatever you prefer, whatever you have home. And you can also use some fruit again if you'd like. Today I'm going to use the mashed up blueberries again because I really love blueberries. If you're using your fruit, you're going to take it again and scoop it and put it in the bottom of the trays. I'll make 4 again for these. Okay, so the fruit's in. Then you're going to take your yogurt or your pudding and just scoop it over the fruit until you've filled it all the way up to the top. go. And you can smooth it over a little bit with a spoon if you need to. And I think I have just enough pudding for 4. Let's see. All right, that does it. Here's a nice overhead shot of my pudding pops. They're a little bit messy, but that's okay. All right, next, let's move on to freezing our pops. Okay, so let's get our pops ready for freezing. You're going to take some tin foil or wax paper if you have it, and you're just going to place it over the ice cube tray and just gently freeze it. And what you can also do is see if you can find the edges of the individual ice cubes and gently freeze it there, so it's easier for you to find them when you're putting your popsicle sticks in. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So once you have this all set and in place, you're going to take your popsicle stick, either the big one or the little one, and you're just going to poke a little hole in your popsicle. Here's an aerial shot of the popsicle sticks in the ice pops. And as you can see, some of them don't have tin foil over them. So if you don't have tin foil, what you can do is put your ice pops in the freezer for about an hour. And when they start to harden, you can put popsicle sticks in them. All right, so there you have it. We have the finished product. We have our juice pop with the fruit. We have our chocolate milk pop. And we have our pudding pop. And notice that the blueberries turn the lemonade pink, which I think looks really beautiful and delicious. And you'll see the sprinkles at the bottom of the chocolate milk pop and the beautiful blueberries in the pudding pop. So just to let you know, if you are having a little bit of trouble getting some of your pops out of the ice cube tray, you can just use a butter knife like this and just kind of work it along the edges of the pop. And then you should be able to take it out pretty easily, just like that. All right, and so we have another delicious treat to enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this program. I hope these pops help you stay a little cool during this hot summer. And I hope I get to see you very soon. Have a great day.